Hello, Godforge. My name is Jacek and I'm author of Godforge DB. And I would like today, as this will be my first video, just to shortly speak about what has recently changed and just show you a few things you can use now on the website. So let me go through them quickly. When you're on the heroes page, and obviously you can go and find different faction heroes. What you can do now is basically you can choose any of two heroes and compare them. For example, if you'd like to compare two invokers, let's choose them. So if I go invokers, yeah, we have them. If I choose Izanagi and Amaterasu and compare them, I will be able to see them side by side, comparing the stats. I can actually move the levels and see how it's changing. Yeah, interestingly, Izanagi is faster. Nice. You'll be able to see skills comparison one by one. Obviously they are very different, but what you can actually see in here, you can see the effects, what exactly they do. You can hover over one on the other. You can see what are awakenings doing for your heroes. I see there is no initial divinity, probably something for me to fix. You can see if they have leader bonus, you can see what is that. You can see their ascension and awakening bonuses and compare them, obviously. Though I think for majority, for example, of legendaries, you would have the first three very similar or same, and yeah, the other ones probably usually will differ. And finally, you will see comparison based on my tier list. How do they compare? The same view you can actually find in tools, compare heroes. So if I go here and firstly choose Heimdall and then choose Farok, I will be able to compare them from this view too. From this point of view, I can go to Heimdall and I can see his details directly. If I would like to compare certain hero, I can compare it from here too. So I can, for example, compare him with another defender, let's say Athena, and this will basically bring me to another comparison. Those comparisons are shareable, so as you see URLs you can basically share with anyone and they will be able to open exactly same comparison of the heroes. Let's get back to Heimdall. Another thing maybe not everyone is aware of, once you have a profile created, you basically can build you can create full builds for the heroes and then they'll be shared with community here. Like now you can vote on them, and as you see you can mark heroes as some you own. As you probably already see, Heimdall is my go-to hero for our mini game, and if I go to my profile, you'll be able to see all the community tier list you shared or your own heroes you mark. So yeah, I'm planning to go with Guan Yu to pair with my Heimdall, and as you already probably know, Isolde will be granted to us in one of the initial stages of the campaign. Besides of that, my tier list here, the builds I created, and let's go to other feature I was working on. So something I'll be utilizing more often with the next videos. I'd like to speak more about different heroes, but in more interesting manner. So basically utilize randomness of summoning, and once I summon, basically now you can hover over any hero, and if you click through, you'll be able to see details This is very unfortunate one because this is actually still work in progress. I'm not sure if Godforge guys or Faithless guys actually already updated this hero. Let me close and go into someone who has already proper builds. So yeah, you'll be able to see builds, not builds, but actually skills and ratings. Plus you again can hover over the buffs, debuffs, or disables and understand their meaning. There is a leader bonus if it's available, but I think I need to fix it and add the awakenings here and awakenings and ascension bonuses. Yeah, it will be coming soon. And yeah, this is something I'll be using to basically draw some. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Cyclops to come. It's still work in progress. Basically something to be able to discuss about the heroes. And another last thing I wanted to show you is a new way to represent the tier list, because I believe this is more accurate. It's showing actually heroes from different perspective. So how does it look like? Yeah, it's like my favorite Chernobog hero. Every content has own assessment, and for every content you can actually go to dedicated tier list and see it, where overall is basically summary of all the points. So my favorite hero Chernobog, but besides of that, from those available, it's Heimdall. So you can see the rankings and you can see where they resulted after summary assessment. You can switch into more Excel view if you prefer this way. There is no distinguish between archetype in here, but you basically have them sorted all through the assessment, and you can see who based on their current assessment are on the top. Of course, all those heroes, once the game will come, will be able to retest and assess again. You can create such tier list on your own. So there is basically a tier list configuration. Something I did because I believe like filling it on your own from the beginning is like would take ages. So what you can do is basically choose from where it's populated. Actually, if I go to the classic one, let me show you quickly. So this is how it looks like. So you basically will be able to choose from which tier list you'd like to copy through, and the same should happen for scored tier list. But apparently, yeah, I need to fix it because there will be here ability to choose. Now is actually choosing from the default one, and obviously you can change anything. Yeah, Akuma doesn't have yet anything, but let's grant Aphrodite 5, and let's name a test during video, and let's just save it. Save. And if we go now to hero tier list, you'll be able to see them as part of the score. So this is the tier during tier list, and if you open it, and it has the same features as the default tier list. You can go through different content, or you can actually go through overall one, or actually go through scores view. And you can have votes on that. Yeah. So I think for today that's it. I'll be sharing more videos as I learn more, as I actually develop more in the game. There is so much actually for me to learn now and focus on. So yeah, there's plenty of interesting things to discuss. But yeah, that will be it for today. Have a good day or night, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.